The whole world is trying to figure out what's going on with the Epstein files. The whole world is trying to figure out why the Department of Justice redacted names, why the FBI redacted names, why all the files aren't out, why there are no investigations into the people who are accused of doing some of the most egregious crimes you could possibly imagine against children. The whole world is trying to figure this out. You have the Attorney General of the United States before you testifying about this very subject. And what does Jim Jordan want to know? If Donald Trump's political opponents are going to be indicted.
And I think this committee in the country, Congress in the country, like to know if Mr. Brennan is going to be indicted.
What I can confirm is that we have received a referral from you, Chairman Jordan, to investigate John Brennan. His attorneys have made some public statements, but the department is still bound, of course, by our longstanding policy of not discussing matters. What I will say today, I can't confirm nor deny whether there is a pending investigation, but what I will say is no one is above the law.
Mr. Chairman,
Weaponization has ended.
Don't let the irony be lost that is Pam Bondi, the Attorney General of the United States, saying nobody is above the law while talking about one of Donald Trump's political opponents and saying the weaponization of the Justice Department has ended while discussing potentially going after one of Donald Trump's political opponents, and while ignoring the fact that Donald Trump has skirted his legal responsibilities and the fact that she is actively covering up for billionaire pedophiles. I guess some people are above the law, huh, Pam? Just depends on who you're asking. By the way, Pam, for the remainder of recorded time, whenever you are written about, this is going to be the image that's associated with you. You refusing to even turn around and acknowledge the existence of survivors of Jeffrey Epstein's trafficking, while you tell Jim Jordan nobody is above the law in the same hearing. This is the picture that's going to be talked about or going to be attached to your name whenever you're talked about for the remainder of time. That's your legacy. And a fitting legacy it is, considering you let him off the hook in Florida, and now you're letting him off the hook at the federal level. You, Pam Bondi, have spent your career protecting pedophiles.